Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. Guys, we're so close to 800 subscribers. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that button right now. Alright, for today's video, what we're going to be installing, and it's much overdue, is a heat shield for my Evo 9. This is the Cusco, Japan heat shield for the exhaust manifold. I just love this piece because, I mean, it's so simple and doesn't have any badging on it. You can see there they engraved their brand onto it, but I think that's the thing I like the most about it. Some of the other ones like Arc and also I believe, was it Tome? They have a badge that they rivet onto this thing, so it's not as clean as this one in my opinion. This isn't going to be just a straightforward install of this thing because the theme I got going on in my engine bay is kind of subtle with the black, the wrinkle black that I have on the valve cover and the piping and everything, and the catch can that I recently did. So I think we're gonna do similar fashion. I don't really have any chrome or shiny bits in the engine bay, so what I'm gonna do today is actually use this product called Cerakote to coat this thing, and the color I'm gonna use is black velvet. But first thing we gotta do is get this thing sandblasted. So now that we got the part all sandblasted, we can move on to Cerakoting this thing. Now, I wanted to do this because it's a cheap project. A lot of powder coating places that are local, they have a minimum of about $100 to $150 for these things. And I wanted to see if I could do this for under $100, and I think it's something that you could do at home as well. So I picked up this spray gun from Harbor Freight, and also a little strainer right here that you need for the Cerakote. And this is the stuff we're going to be using right here. It's the black velvet, the C7300, and I just got the tester one because I think it's going to be enough to spray this heat shield. Now we're going to move on to the gas out phase, which basically just gets all the contaminants off of the heat shield to make sure we have a clean surface to lay this Cerakote down on. So Cerakote recommends doing the gas out phase at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Now that we got the gas out phase done, we can move on to actually spraying the part. Now, with this Cerakote, you have to shake it up. They recommend anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. That way just all the stuff gets separated and you don't have any clumping. But in addition to that, when you pour it into your cup, you use the strainer as well, and minimum I'd say 100 mesh on the strainer. So we got the stuff in there, we're ready to spray this thing out. When doing projects like this, always be sure to use proper PPE, a respirator, goggles, and then also gloves as well, because you don't want this stuff getting on your skin. It could cause irritation and stain your skin as well, so make sure you use this. They say 30 to 45 minutes this thing should be tack free and you can handle it, but full cure time on this thing is 5 days. In 24 hours we could put it on the car. So we'll let this thing fully cure, but it turned out pretty good. If you have a look, I'm digging it. This has probably been 6 months in the making. I've had these JDC Customs titanium hardware for the exhaust manifold heat shield for a while now. I'm super stoked to finally be able to put this on the car, so let's install these real quick. Those look so good there on that heat shield. Matches the rest of the blue stuff I got going on in the engine bay. I do wish I could have ceramic coated that exhaust manifold, but just don't have the time to take it off and let it cure for 5 days. So it is what it is. I really feel like that ties in the engine bay. It kind of completes the look that I was going for. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till the next time.